Hello guys, how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first method is go to Windows search, type view network connections, open view network connections, and here you will find your network connection. Right click on it and choose its properties. Network properties, Wi-Fi network properties windows will open. Here select the option ITV4 and choose its property, and choose the second option DNS server address and enter address 888844 and press OK button. And the second method is right click on start, choose run command and type IP configuration space slash plus DNS. Press OK. It will clear all your DNS caches and connection will established. And the third method is go to start button, right click on it, choose device manager. Here go to network adapter section and find out your network adapter driver. To find your network adapter driver, go to the view network connection feature you have seen earlier, and here you will find your network driver name Realtek RTL 8822CE802, and in device manager windows you will find this option. Right click on it and choose update driver. And search automatically for drivers. Windows will update your driver. And the fourth method is go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt Windows add administrator mode, and in command prompt window type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. It will execute your command and it will resolve your issue. That's